Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Brahma says, Brahma's experience, he is the topmost living creature within this universe. He said that when a person will give up this nonsense habit of speculation, jnane prayasam rupasam, he must become submissive. One should not pose himself that he knows something, he can speculate something, he can invent something, just like the so-called scientists, they are simply speculating and wasting labor. Nothing can be done by you, everything is already arranged, you cannot change. You can simply see how the law is working, so much you can do. But neither you can change the law, you can make a better facility for the law. No, that you cannot. Vividhisha gunamai mama maya duruttaya. Duruttaya means it is very difficult. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was informed the statement of Brahma, that one should give up this speculative method, that he can create something. These nonsense habits should be given up. He must become very humble, humbler than the grass. Just like we trample over the grass, it does not protest. All right, sir, you go. That type of humble. Tinadapi sunitena taroropi sahisnuna. Taro means tree. Tree so much pervading. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Jnane priyasam udapasanamanta iva, and then I give up the speculative process and I become humbler as usual. Then what is my next duty? Next duty is namanta eva, being humble, salmukharitang bhavadiyavata. You should approach a person who is a devotee and you should hear from him. Thane sthita, you remain in your place, you remain American, you remain Indian, you remain Christian, you remain Hindu, you remain black, you remain white, you remain woman, man, whatever you are. Simply you lend your ear to the discourses given by realized soul. This is the comment. And when you hear, then you contemplate also, just like you are hearing me. If you contemplate that what Swami said, Thane sthita sutigatang tanuvang manohi, sutigatang, suti means just receiving through the ear. If you contemplate and try to understand with your body, mind, then gradually, because your aim is self-realization, the self means super self, the Supreme Lord is the Supreme Self, we are part and parcel. So, by this process, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, God, Ajita, one who is never conquered. If you, by challenge, if you want to know God, you'll never understand. God never accepts challenge. Because God is great, why should He accept your challenge? If you say, oh, my dear God, please come here, I shall see you. The God is not like that. That He will carry your order. You must carry His order. Then God realizes. God says, to surrender. Sarvadharman parittajya mamekam sarana. That process you will learn God. Not that I shall know God. I have got good intelligence. Speculate. No. So this hearing, we are talking of the hearing. The hearing process is so important. All our this institute, Krishna consciousness movement, has spread because the students who have joined us, they have given oral reception by hearing. The hearing, everything was changed within themselves, and they have joined with wholeheartedness and the going on. The hearing is so important. We are opening so many centers just to give people chance of hearing about the transcendental. So you take chance, you take, the advantage of this hearing process.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,